you to a place where happiness lives, a place of wisdom and joy.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. I know they know. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum Course.
On a previous video, I already taught you the beats. Today we are going to play them using different speed.
No matter how far the journey will be, up your heart.
Let's start with the speed of 60.
Out in the woods.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now let's increase the speed to 80.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!